So I baked the lemon blueberry coffee cake for 45 minutes. I took it out after 40 minutes. In the middle was a little jiggly. I put it in for another 5. It was perfect. And look at it. Oh. I've already cut a piece out so we can try it, but doesn't that look wonderful? Look at this. Look at this. I cannot wait to taste it. That is so good. The little sugar, and you don't need to use xylitol. You can use any sweetener you like. We can only use xylitol and stevia, so, oh, this is so good. Lots of blueberries, lemony flavor. So good. It's definitely worth trying.